What's your name?
To 5695. I'm Charlotte.
Thanks for showing me around.
You're welcome. So here we have, as you come in, you drop off your shoes and just shove them in the corner. And you walk up and you see the beautiful house. We have our very clean, very sanitized massage chair and our beautiful couch and our beautiful dining room table where people do work and eat food. And there's often dirt all over it. Then we have our Stanford flags and paintings there. Of course, your Star of David, as we are inclusive of all religions, as well as our Christmas tree. You will find everything you need here in our beautiful kitchen.
Who's that? What's your name?
I'm Katie.
Give us a spiel, Katie.
Spiel about what?
You.
Oh, I'm a freshman. I'm not gapping like Charlotte. I'm gapping. I'm not technically a Stanford student. Yet. Yeah, I'm writing a paper right now.
Interesting.
I'm not doing much. Just an internship. Sometimes.
Cool.
Here's our beautiful piano. And then we have our second piano behind the couch, just in case we need to pull it out and do a duet on two separate pianos. And then we have our kitchen. We have our towels on the floor for just some extra texture. And here is our stove top. We have food so that we in case we're hungry, you can just grab some and be like, beautiful. And some granola for some spice and some yogurt.
Stole the granola
Peanut
and left
butter.
it there.
Just to make sure, in case we are hungry, it's always there. And some coffee that doesn't fit our coffee pods. Coffee maker. Lots of appliances. Lots of appliances. And here's outside. Beautiful. Here's our grill.
Oh, look, some chicken from last week is still on the grill.
You're kidding. Just some. Just a bit.
Yum.
Just take in the smell. And our compost bin that hasn't been taken out in quite a while because we composted for the first part and then we stopped. I don't know why.
What the is this?
Umbrella that does not close. And it was hitting the window last night, so we tried to put it down and it does not come down.
What's this?
So this is our workout equipment. We have a full set of weights. Chloe brought them, but everyone likes to use them. So we work out a lot around here. We work out here on the patio. Here's our beautiful view. There's nothing bad you can say about this view.
$1 million view.
$1 million. It's beautiful.
Plus the cross is up there.
The cross is up there. We have our swing, so you can see it there. There's construction next to us. And there's a spider web.
Oh, thanks.
And our lounge area outside, as well as our little dinner table.
Cute. Cute footprints on this.
Texture here.
Show me some bedrooms.
I'm sure. Okay, let's go in this way.
Gee, thanks. I hope Paige isn't in the shower.
So first, we have...
Oh, more workout equipment.
we like to keep our clean or dirty. I don't even know if this is clean or dirty. We like to keep it outside. And some succulents right there. So this is our room.
Who lives in here?
Okay, so it's Charlotte, Paige, and Katie. We have our schedule. I'm not on it because I didn't have anything to do for the first month. But I do have some calls here, so
cool.
Don't worry. Here's our bed. Paige sleeps here. Katie and I sleep here.
What am I looking at?
So this here is our beautiful bathtub. Never used because it's sacred. It's very sturdy, right in the middle of the room, so that in case you want to
Interesting.
bathe, you can be in front of everyone. Same with our shower. No shower curtain, and the great thing is you have direct view to the doorway. So when someone walks in, they can see you right away.
Cool.
Instantly.
I don't care about your
In our
bathroom.
bathroom. That is correct. In Chloe's room.
Let's go to Chloe's room.
Let's go.
What's this?
Oh,
Who's that?
It's our aerial silk for performative actions.
Jessica!
Say hi. For legal reasons, we have never gone on the aerial silk. This is our artwork.
Oh,
Jenga.
here we have a schedule.
Our schedule. With some quotes. Yeah.
She's in class, but this is Chloe.
And this is her room.
Cutest bed in the place.
You better not put that on the internet.
Okay, I will bleep it out.
This is Jess's bed and her pile of
I told you why it
clothes.
Thanks, Chloe. Anything else to add?
Okay.
Whose is this room?
This is Sophie's room. Paige is in a class, so we will be quiet and observe her.
A page in her wild habitat. Are you in Spanish?
What?
Are you in Spanish?
No.
Ah.
My class ended early.
Oh. Hi, Paige. So, who used to live in this room? Tell us.
This was Sophie's room.
And why isn't she here?
Well, she mysteriously left.
Dun 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 dun.
She's traveling the world, living it up while we're here.
Cool.
We're doing nothing.
And why is this not a door? Oh, wait, that's not either.
This house isn't really supportive.
Look at the gap when you close the door. Look at it. You can just, if you want to, you can just lift up the door.
Cool, let's
I don't
go.
like privacy in this house.
Privacy is not an option.
Overrated.
Let's go downstairs.
Let's go.
Halfway there. I love how much dirt is on the stairs.
It's part of the texturized of the house. Again, we like to keep it. We don't want anyone to slip. We want the dirt to catch them on the way down. Here's my eye mask that Ava used last night. I should steal it back because I want to make sure I bring it home.
What's this?
Our room. So yeah. Now we have Melina.
Hi.
What's your name?
Marina.
What are you doing?
I was just empowered and now I'm having my final Slack conversation of the quarter.
Why is there food here from days ago?
Sophia, that's not days ago. You bought her kava. Annie's obsessed with kava.
Yeah, it's true.
Sophia's bed and Melina's.
Embarrassed. Living at large.
Okay, let's move. What is this room and why does this girl have a sewing machine?
And wow, it looks much cleaner than it used to be because I don't know. I wonder who cleaned this room.
Was it you, Charlotte?
I think it was. I think it was me that cleaned this room.
Jessica, why did you claim this desk?
Good view.
I would have to agree with you on that one. Show me the laundry room.
Let's go.
No,
The laundry room.
Sophia's probably in here.
We'll be quiet as we enter.
Hi.
What class are you in?
I'm in chem.
What is this horrible, disgusting room?
Yeah.
Do you have any explanation?
People come in and drop towels on the floor. Those I actually folded those towels a week ago. And then
What is this?
and then they put this thing in the middle of the thing
What's
because
that?
they didn't pick up that pillow that dropped.
Okay, we're gonna leave before she gets too angry.
Okay.
Goodbye.
It's the quietest room in the house because it's one of the only doors that actually closes.
Show me the bidet.
One of the beautiful bathrooms in the house. Again, privacy, not much of a thing in this house.
What the heck? Why do you have a remote for the toilet?
Oh my god, because this is a highly updated house with a bidet.
Heated seat.
I don't even know how to use it because I've never used it.
Let's go in the final room and then you can show me the hot tub and then we'll be done.
Fantastic. This is our beautiful filmer, Annie's room.
That's
along with
me.
Nalza and Olivia's room.
Was showing recreational activities during this time. So they start with. Do we want to? Should I do my summary now or should I wait?
What's your name?
Yes. So it starts off with a long shot of a crowded beach, and when I say crowded, it's like very crowded. They're pretty packed.
Give us a piece of information.
Thinking of COVID, it kind of made me like cringe a little bit, but obviously this is not like during this time.
Okay, we're gonna leave. Oh, right.
The door is left open.
So, this looks like a nice hot tub. Do you guys like it?
Yeah, it's actually an amazing hot tub. It's really strengthened our bodies because we got what is called hot tub lung.
Hot tub lung? What's that?
It's when the hot tub isn't cleaned properly, so there's diseases in the water, and when you inhale the air around it, you get infections in your lungs. And then it can be hard to breathe. It can be life-threatening in certain situations.
That sounds
COVID
fun.
scare? No. Hot tub lung? Yes.
Thanks so much for giving us the tour, Charlotte. Can you leave us with a piece of advice?
Advice? About what?
Just a nice quote, anything? Your words of wisdom?
I would say, do what you love, have fun, never give up, love yourself, and be inspired, and stay classy, San Diego.
Wait, we have a guest.
Hello. Wait, is this one shot?
Yes. We're ending with a piece of advice. She just said stay classy, San Diego, which is a good ending. So, can you just give us a piece of life advice, and then we'll call the video?
Better to ask. Wait. Better an oops than a what if.
Ooh. And on that note, stay classy, San Diego.